What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that we have several news that might drive the price of Alibaba higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that you shouldn't enter your long position right here because we have the most probable outcome for the price action might be that we might have a small movement to the upside that will hit the ranges of resistance. And as you can see, we broke the first resistance from the top of previous B wave right here. But we had a very good bounce from this swing high, and it is the price point of $121.43. And from this range we went lower. So as you can see, Alibaba is acting exactly as I predicted. And on my previous video I've told you that right after your entry point somewhere at these ranges, you should put your stop loss on the green territory in order to stay in profits no matter what. And congratulations to all of you who took my call and who entered your position somewhere at these ranges. And you might be up to the current price of about 12.8%, but to the highest point you might be up for almost 18%. Definitely very good achievement in a matter of just several days. So, what should we expect next from the technical standpoint? I will show you in just several minutes, and let's continue with the fundamental news. So, first of all, let me show you this article. We are on theprint.in, and this article was published on June 29th, and it's titled "What Jack Ma's increasing public appearances tell about China's changing stance on business." And the subtitle is "The easing of the tech crackdown signifies that Xi is trying to make space for other political ideas, including the revival pro-market approach." And let me quote you some details, and let me show you this. Industry experts say Beijing is sending signals of a business-friendly environment to calm the nerves of glittery investors who have lost billions since 2021. The easing up comes with reports of senior Chinese Communist Party leaders looking to broker deals at the secretive Beidaihe meeting in August and later when Xi's campaign for third term goes through the final review in November. And in terms of Jack Ma's and Group, let me quote you this. Jack Ma's and Financials will soon apply for a license to become a financial holding company. The People's Bank of China is likely to accept the application after a review, which could last for months, sources told Bloomberg. And definitely this act will increase the price of Alibaba because Alibaba is one of the major shareholders of Ant Financials, of Ant Group. And definitely the accept of the application will drive the price of both companies higher. But let me show you another information. Rather than giving up, some companies are closely reading Xi's guidance on the future of technology and pivoting their business according to the party's long-term strategic goals. Despite growing signs that China's gargantuan policy correction has slowed, some Chinese entrepreneurs know that the good old days are now over. A return to the past days of riding the horse without holding the reins is not very likely, said Xin Lijun, retail chief of e-commerce giant JD.com, in an interview. In recent weeks, the tensions between Premier Li Keqiang and President Xi Jinping over the management of the company have intrigued experts. The easing of the tech crackdown signifies that Xi is trying to make space for other political ideas, including the revival pro-market approach. And definitely because of this news, we might see some uncertainty on the market, but the general idea of the Chinese policy is to ease the crackdown of tech companies, and definitely it will benefit Alibaba as one of the major tech giants. Let me show you another news. Alibaba's cloud service unit launches carbon management tool for its global business customers to aid decarbonization drive. The Hangzhou-based company announced the global launch of Energy Expert, a software-as-a-service tool for its enterprise customers. The platform is designed to help companies around the world achieve their carbon neutrality goals via Alibaba's technologies and solutions. And I have to say that it is a very wise decision, because during the gold rush, sell shovels. And definitely this might be one of the shovels that might bring a lot of new customers and a lot of new free cash flow for the company. And definitely this new source of income might drive the price of Alibaba even higher. And because of this news, let me show you that on TipRanks, according to tipranks.com, we have 19 ratings, and 17 of them suggest to buy, 2 to hold, and 0 to sell. And the price targets are very lucrative, and the lowest price target is $115, and we are almost at the same spot. Average price target is $162.34, and the highest price target is $276. And even to the average price target, we have about 39.91% of upside potential. So definitely very good forecast overall. On top of this information, let me show you that if you take a look on the list of institutional investors, and you can find that the latest filings show the cautious buys of Alibaba stock. As you can see, some companies opened a new position for $26.6, $15.8 million, $21.3 million. Some companies slightly decreased its position, and it is very small position, I have to say. But let me show you, for example, somewhere here, I found right here, this company, Harding Loevner Emerging Markets Portfolio Advisor, added its position by whopping 1,437.4%. And the total value of their position is $48 million. Definitely huge increase, and I have to say that it is a very good sign that a lot of institutional investors increased their position in Alibaba. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Definitely I'm very bullish on Baba on the long term, and this price action is nothing else but a consolidation phase, and it was 100% expectable, and literally I drew these two arrows in order to show you how the price action might move. And as you can see, I was 100% correct. That's why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, what should we expect next? I have to say that, in my opinion, we have two possibilities. First of all, we might bounce from this range where we are now, and it is quite a decent support range. As you can see, we have this peak at the price point of $113.41. And we almost hit this range right here, and this means we might see higher targets. But the most probable price action for this asset is that it should go a bit lower. And if you want to enter your swing trade or even investment position, just accumulate on the way down. And the upside potential for this asset, as long as this pivot holds, is following. We have to land at least at 0.786 Fibonacci extension level, and it is the price point of $132.24. And depending on the entry point, you might be up for about 14.58%. But if you ladder your buys down according to my suggestion, you might be up for more than 25 to 27%. Definitely it might be a very good entry point for you, and this price target is very viable in a matter of next several weeks. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.